everybody, it's Chris at Dean's Creek Ranch. Beautiful day today. Had a couple appointments earlier today. Came back to the house. Kids aren't home yet. I realized on a day like today, probably a good day to go throw some catfish food in the pond. I guess there's catfish in there. If you saw in one of our earlier videos, you know we caught one and put it back. So what better way to go feed the fish than go take out Lamar? Beautiful day. Anyways, I'm gonna go out down to the pasture, go through the gate. I'm gonna go through the stream this time, get the tires wet, and I don't know, just I find an excuse to go drive the thing. Anyway, you'll see. This is just checking it out. It's about as natural as I can get by his owner's tractor. So checks. Hey. With your hay bale. Get out of my way. Big old checks. Big old checks. We're gonna feed the fish. That bucket. Look at that Tonka. Alright, I'm gonna try and feed the fish without throwing my phone in the pond. This is catfish food down here. And decided to bring the tractor today. So anyway, we feed the fish. Yeah, I had to put the phone down so I could open the gate. Anyways, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Chris at Dean's Creek Ranch. I'm gonna put it away. Right over there, right in front of the blue truck. Just need an excuse to go for a ride, that's all. See ya! Dean's Creek Ranch bonus footage. I keep forgetting to ask. We've got a few subscribers now, so let's ask you. What do you think? See these dirt piles here? This is the beginning of a backstop we're going to make for a shooting range. We've been shooting over into the hill, into those mannequins. The hill kind of goes up into the tree line. That was always temporary because I knew I didn't have the equipment to move the dirt. But now I do. Let me ask you. Do you see this fence line here? That very first one? We want to maybe think about putting the berm right up there. It looks like we'd get about 30, 40 yards. Or if you see the tree down beyond, it's the second fence line. We're thinking about putting it in front of that tree. That's probably from me to there, somewhere in the neighborhood of about 100 yards, maybe a little short. But tell me what you think. Where should we put the dirt? And then, based on what you guys say, I'll consider it. See ya.